Hello everyone, in today's video I'll quickly show you on how you can make an object follow the player in Geometry Dash. Now, first things first, head over to the build option and then click on the triggers category. Inside we then want to click on the move option right here, and then you want to place it on the beginning of where your character will start or will spawn. Inside, click on the edit object, and then you want to select the lock X, which is going to be our player, and the locks Y, once again, going to be our player. In here, you then want to make this into something like 10 or lower, depending on your case, and then select touch trigger. And then you also have the ability to edit out the easing options if you want to. I'm just going to leave this at default. Now, you then want to select the objects that you want to make your character follow. So in my case, it's going to be this specific object right here. I'm going to place it this way. I'm going to select the edit group, and then I'm going to select next free, and the group ID for this specific object is going to be 3. Click add, click on OK, and then you just want to make sure that the targeted group ID is selected to this specific object. So let's do that real quick, which is going to be the build option right here, or the move trigger. Click on edit object, and then just make sure that the target group ID is selected on the objects that we want to follow our character. So if we hit on the play button, it will then follow it right here. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.